You've definitely come across these road renovation videos, and right now they're blowing up all over the internet. So today I'm going to show you how to create these viral road renovation videos using AI step by step. Let's start. First, go to Pinterest and search for road images. You'll see a lot of options. Save one image that you like. Now open Google Gemini, choose Create Image, and upload the road image you just downloaded. Next, open the document link in the description. Copy prompt 1 from the document and paste it into Gemini. This will generate a damaged road image. Once it's ready, save the image. Now upload the damaged road image again into Gemini. This time, copy prompt 2 from the document and paste it. This will create the mid-stage renovation image. Save this image as well. Now open Flow AI and select Frames to Video. Upload the damaged road image as frame 1, the mid-stage image as frame 2. Go back to the document, copy prompt 3, paste it here, and click Generate. And just like that, your first video clip is ready. Save it. Next, create the final transformation. Upload the mid-stage image as frame 1, the original Pinterest road image as frame 2. Now copy prompt 4 from the document, paste it, and generate. Your second video clip is ready. Save this one too. Now open your editing software. Import both video clips and arrange them in order. Slightly zoom in on each clip to remove any logos or watermarks. Add cuts, smooth transitions, and text if you want to make the video more engaging. And this is your final road renovation video. That's how you can create viral road renovation videos using AI. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to Renovation for more AI tutorials. And comment below which AI niche you want me to cover next.